Hi everyone, welcome back to the Good to Know channel, where we keep it real about feeling amazing from the inside out. If you've ever felt that sneaky fatigue or wondered why your energy's dipping, it might be just those arteries of yours that are whispering for a little TLC. Today we're diving into 7 natural ways to unclog your arteries. No fancy gadgets, no doctor's note required. Backed by science, these are simple swaps that could add years to your life. Stick around because by the end, you'll have a game plan to get your blood pumping like it's 20 again. Let's jump in. Way number 1, load up on soluble fiber, your artery's best friend for sweeping out the plaque. Soluble fiber dissolves in water to form a gel-like substance in your gut, which traps cholesterol and prevents it from being absorbed into your bloodstream. Think apples, pears, Brussels sprouts, chia seeds, or flax seeds. These wholesome options bind to cholesterol like a magnet and flush it right out, without the concerns of lectins or having heavy processing found in some of the grains. Start your day with a chia seed pudding topped with berries. It's like giving your heart a daily detox hug. Studies show just 5 to 10 grams extra a day can drop bad cholesterol by 5 to 10%, helping to reduce artery narrowing over time. Easy win, right? Next up, way 2, omega-3 fatty acids. These are the superheroes that fight inflammation and keep plaque from sticking around, while also improving overall blood vessel function by reducing triglycerides and promoting better blood flow. Fatty fish like salmon, walnuts, or flax seeds are your go-tos. Opt for wild-caught salmon if possible for the purest benefits. Aim for 2 servings a week. It's like oiling your engine for smoother rides. Research from the American Heart Association backs this. Omega-3s can reduce artery narrowing by up to 20%, and they may help stabilize existing plaque to prevent ruptures. Who's ready for sushi tonight? Way 3, garlic. Oh man, this bulb packs a punch with allicin, a compound that relaxes blood vessels, stops plaque buildup cold, and even has antioxidant properties to protect artery walls from damage. Chop it fresh into salads or stir fries, or try garlic supplements if the raw taste is too strong. Even the smell motivates you. 1 clove a day could lower blood pressure by 10 points per clinical trials, and it may also thin the blood slightly to improve circulation. It's nature's own plumber for your pipes. All right, way 4. Get moving with regular cardio. Brisk walks, cycling, swimming, or even dancing with your favorite tunes. Just 30 minutes most days boosts HDL, the good cholesterol that scrubs arteries clean, while also strengthening your heart muscle and improving endothelial function for better vessel dilation. Picture this, every step is like a mini vacuum for your veins, helping to burn off excess fats that could contribute to plaque buildup. Mayo Clinic says it can reverse early plaque. Talk about a free gym membership for your heart, and it releases endorphins for that feel-good boost too. Ditch the smoke if you're lighting up. It's the fastest way to torch plaque progress, as smoking damages artery linings, promotes oxidation of cholesterol, and increases clotting risks. Quitting can halve your risk in a year. Your arteries start healing almost immediately with improved oxygen delivery and reduced inflammation. Pat yourself on the back. Choosing life over that habit, and tools like nicotine patches or support groups can help make it easier. Resources are everywhere. You got this. Number 6, manage stress. It's a silent artery assassin, spiking cortisol that builds plaque, constricts vessels, and elevates blood pressure over time. Try deep breathing exercises, yoga poses, meditation apps, or a hobby that lights you up like reading or gardening to reset your nervous system. Just 10 minutes daily can lower inflammation markers by 15%, says Harvard research, leading to better sleep and overall resilience against heart issues. Breathe easy, live freely. Finally, way 7, balance with healthy fats like avocados, nuts, olive oil. These replace the bad stuff, keeping walls flexible and plaque-free by raising good cholesterol and providing anti-inflammatory compounds like oleic acid. Drizzle that extra virgin olive oil on everything. It's Mediterranean magic that slashes heart risk by 30%, supporting better nutrient absorption and sustained energy throughout the day. Your fork is your superpower. Well, there you have it, 7 game-changing ways to unclog your arteries and feel unstoppable. Start with 1 today. Small steps lead to big flows. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more real health talk wins, and drop a comment below. What's your first swap going to be? See you next time, stay heart strong, and we'll see you in the next video.